you watching ABS Technical channel. Please click the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you every single day. So you just click on the subscribe button. Okay, thanks for subscribing and don't forget to like video. Okay, just complete 100 likes. Okay guys, so you can see at this time the price of one Cardano coin as you can see here as 1.18 US dollar, and all people goes to sell it today, but I suggest you to sell it tomorrow because this today as the 29 March, but I think the 30 March is a good day, so just sell it tomorrow. Okay, today if you sell today, then this is very rare, you can see here, and the price is goes down. You can see here this is absolutely very bad changes. You can see 0 minus 0.67% absolutely goes down, and the 24-hour, so I cannot sell it now today and cannot sell tomorrow because I sell it in the mid of next month. Because you know why? This is a very good point. You, if you can understand this problem, this is absolutely good, and this is they can make you a millionaire. They can give you a very big good price. You can see you they can give you a very good price. So if you sell and this time, the all people is going to sell it. If you sell and the same time, then the price is, you can see here, already goes down, and the changes as you can see here on your eyes. Okay, so if you sell at this time, then you earn not a big profit. But if you sell in the mid of a month, you understand, if you sell in the mid of the month, then I hope all people just take a buying. But if you sell it, then the price is absolutely gone good. So this is your, they can give you a good profit. So absolutely this is a good, you can see here in the graph result, as in the mid, you can see here absolutely goes up. You can see here 1.20 US dollar. So this is good time for selling. You can see here, if this time you sell it, I hope they can give you a good profit. But some people, they what said, if they can start bottom, you can say they can start downing, then they decided to this is selling time. So this is absolutely very bad time, because you cannot understand this bad and good tips, because this is absolutely give you a very good profit. But some people mistake is that they cannot understand this problem, this tip. Okay, so I suggest you the third the end of this month is coming soon, so just you can sell it. If your opinion as a selling, you want to sell it, then absolutely sell it, not a big problem. But I cannot say you to sell it. Okay, because I sell it in the mid of any month. Okay, so thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, see you next time. Keep watching ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button for latest update any cryptocurrency.